Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the hardware. Plug the case in or ensure both AirPods show a healthy charge, then close and reopen the lid to wake them. Once done, press and hold the small setup button on the back of the case until the status LED flashes amber, then white. This resets pairing info. Make sure the AirPods remain in the case while you do this so the internal state resets cleanly and avoids partial connections. With the LED flashing white, bring the case close to your unlocked device and open Bluetooth settings. Keep Bluetooth on and visible. You should see your AirPods appear in the Devices Available Devices list. If they don't, toggle Bluetooth off/on and wait a few seconds. Tap the AirPods entry to begin pairing. Accept any prompts asking for permission or iCloud association. Make sure to stay near the device during pairing, so the BLE handshake completes without interference from other signals. Once connected, verify the link by checking the device shows the AirPods as connected and the battery widget reports levels. Then play audio and confirm sound comes from both buds. If you plan to use them with multiple devices, re-enable automatic switching in settings or manually select them in Bluetooth. If something goes wrong, reset the AirPods again, restart your phone or laptop, and ensure your operating system is up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.